Happy New Year, everybody. I want to know which of these Tradify accounts you guys like the best. Also, I guess part of that question is which one of them do you think you're more likely to get a payout on? This is like a very hot topic in the Black Shirt Club over the last 2 weeks. Most people, I think, are going to say the 50K or the 25K are their preferred account only because of the price, right? I mean, you can't beat it. Once you go to purchase one of these accounts, if you use my discount code or really anybody's discount code, as you can see, it brings it down for a 50K from 549 all the way down to 356. Can't really beat that for an instant funded account right now, at least as of filming this video. So I want to know, which account do you guys find yourself trading the best? Which one do you like the most? Is it the 50Ks or the 150Ks? Comment below. Tell me what you think. I want to talk to you about my trading today. I had one win and one loss. I want to go over the loss first, since that's the first trade we took. And I'm going to talk to you about Bookmap today. I have two pictures here that I want to show you. So let's look at this first. You'll see at the bottom of the screen here, if I move myself out of the way, there's a CVD. This is the delta, okay? This is the cumulative volume delta. That's what Bookmap calls it. I like to use the delta to determine my bias in a way, meaning I don't want to be selling into a rising delta, but I did that today. And it proves my point of why it's really not the best trade to take, even if it sets up well with the VWAP. Now, we teach how to trade with the VWAP on ASFX TV. That's where our course is. That's where our live streams are. If you don't trade with us, definitely check that out. There's a free trial link down below, and you'll see how we use VWAP. And by the way that we've tested the VWAP and traded with it over the years, this is a valid break and retest of the opening range low. If this would have fallen lower, this would have been a great trade for shorts. However, it did not. Once we took New York VWAP, we flipped the bias. We got long on the retest after it broke, retested, and came back through New York VWAP. That ends up being the trade, as you can see here, that carries all day. If I stretch this so you can see it nice and big, you'll see my entry here at 59.36 carries about 55 points higher all the way to previous day New York VWAP. Also, if you don't use these VWAPs already, we have an indicator that automates all of that for you. I'll put a link for the indicator down in the description as well. Just makes your analysis faster. So definitely use that going into the new year. Now, the lesson here. Look at the rising CVD down here at market open. You see 930 here. At market open, you see delta just immediately starts rising while price is falling. That's then where I end up getting short here, using this block of orders to potentially send us lower. It doesn't go to target. As you can see, we get stopped, we flip, and that's where we find the winning long trade. Now delta much higher, we find that winning long trade starts to go fill the block here, and then again, the block up here on its way up towards previous day New York VWAP. Now, we do a lot with Bookmap on ASFX TV. This video is not going to be a whole breakdown of how I use it, but look at the rising delta while price was falling. That's a signal. You'll see me talk about this a lot this year, I'm sure. That's a signal that we probably don't want to be short there. We either want to be flat or getting ready for longs, because as we can see here, the winning long trade comes at 10:56 in the morning, and that trade carries all the way till about 1:30 in the afternoon. Even where we're sitting now is basically at this price. So the delta told us the direction it was going to go today, even though it started to sell off initially at the open. Patience pays there. Evan stayed flat, and he did not get into that losing short trade that I did. However, when you like to trade like I do, sometimes you take a loss before you go find your win. So it was still a really good day. But again, I want to know what you guys think, either of my trades. Comment below. Comment on the videos, please. I always like the feedback. And then also tell me what you think of the Tradify accounts. Which one are you guys buying? The 25s, the 50s, or are you just going straight for the 150s? And if you do buy anything, please use my discount code ASFX. That's going to be the best way you can save the most money with Tradify. So happy New Year. I'll see you guys in the next video.